Hi, everyone. Today I'm joined by Joe Sherman, founder and CEO of EDT. Joe's joining us from Australia. Joe, it's marvelous to see you and welcome to In the Cloud.
Thank you so much, Jeff. It's an honor to be here. I'm really looking forward to this discussion.
Now, can you introduce EDT to our audience?
Absolutely. EDT is a SaaS company. We leverage AWS and our wonderful partner with AWS to deliver evidence management solutions for justice agents and regulators. We've been around for about 20 years. I founded the company 20 years ago. I'm a lawyer by training. I studied computer science as well and have worked in the application of technology to law for a few decades, quite a few decades actually. And about 20 years ago, I was working with a law firm that was trying to get email evidence into a case, into court, and they were printing out the emails, scanning them, OCRing them, and then manually uploading each email into a database and then objectively coding it to, from, etc. So that's how it all started. And I remember saying to my client, this law firm at the time, I'm sure I can write a few scripts. Give me a couple of months, I'll write a few scripts to process this electronic source into an electronic target. Recently, we've really found our sweet spot, and we're so excited about the sector that we're focused on, which is the public sector, specifically regulators and justice agencies, to help them manage electronic evidence. And it includes the criminal justice sector, it includes regulatory investigations, and it includes an enormous volume of disparate evidence sources, mobile phones, CCTV, body cams, all sorts of things.
Now, Joe, you all are doing some amazing, innovative work within the community and leveraging the AWS cloud. What are you hearing from the public sector customers?
We're hearing about the biggest challenges that they have, and that is to collect, analyze, and classify and present constantly evolving data sources. Evidence is in so many different forms and is being produced by so many different social media applications, instant messaging applications, and there's just such an ever-evolving repository of evidence out there. So gathering it all together, presenting it in a consolidated, consistent way, reviewing it, and presenting it in court is the challenge. And to that extent, we're leveraging AWS services, Amazon Recognition, for example, for image analysis, Amazon Comprehend to extract features from text, Amazon Transcribe to transfer voice to text so that it can be fully searched and included in evidence bundles. We are now truly cloud native, so we are tapping into serverless compute. We're tapping into scalable database repositories like Aurora. These are the responses that I guess we're providing in conjunction with AWS to these pressing problems that our clients have in relation to scale.
Now, similar to AWS, I know that EDT believes they have a broader social responsibility to the community. Can you tell us a little bit about the social impact that you're making?
Absolutely. Well, I might lead into that by turning around and showing you my zebra.
Ah, look at that.
A zebra company is all about purpose over profit. A zebra company is about being driven by a desire to make a difference to society, to improve society in some way. And for us, our absolute purpose is to enable our clients to deliver effective justice. We can't really do that work, but we can help them to do that work, and we get enormous satisfaction out of the small part we can play in improving the way justice is delivered and making a difference in that context. Our diversity and inclusion charter actually has 4 limbs, 4 quantifiable dimensions that we aim to deliver to, including support for seniors, people over 60, and people with disabilities, First Nation people, women in highly technical roles. We have a lot of women in technical roles in the business.
Joe, thank you so much for the ongoing partnership. You all have just been an inspiration, and we look forward to the continuing work together to solve a lot of the challenges our mutual customers are facing, but also to help advance that social impact. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Jeff.